Most people think they're strong until they try an L-sit. You press your hands into the floor, brace your core, prepare for liftoff, and nothing happens. Your feet feel glued down. It's confusing, maybe even a little embarrassing, because you train, you lift, you push yourself. So why does this one simple-looking move shut everything down? Here's the truth most people never hear. The L-sit is not just a core exercise, it's a full-body honesty test. No momentum, no shortcuts, no hiding weak links. Just you versus gravity, and gravity always tells the truth. Now let's break a big myth right away. Most people believe if I build stronger abs, I'll unlock the L-sit. Not exactly. Your abs matter, but they are rarely the first thing to fail. Usually, the real problem is a combination of tight hamstrings, undertrained hip flexors, unstable shoulders, or poor scapular control. Miss just one of these, and lifting your legs suddenly feels impossible. That's why someone who looks strong can still struggle here, because strength is not just about muscle, it's about control. But there is one mistake almost everyone makes when learning the L-sit, and fixing it can speed up your progress dramatically. Most people attempt the hardest version immediately. Straight legs, on the floor, zero preparation. That's like walking into a gym for the first time and trying to bench your body weight. Smart training works differently. You start where your body says, this is challenging but doable. First, unlock your range of motion. If your hamstrings are tight, your legs physically cannot rise high enough. Sit tall and reach for your toes. If your back rounds instantly, you've found your first bottleneck. Improve that mobility daily and you'll be surprised how much lighter your legs feel. Next, begin with the tuck hold. Bring your knees toward your chest, lock your arms, push the floor away, and keep your shoulders depressed. Even a 5-second hold is a victory because something powerful is happening. Your brain is learning the position, and strength always follows familiarity. Now, here's the game changer most people skip. Train compression. From your tuck, slowly extend one leg, then switch. Control every inch. This teaches your hip flexors to fire while your core stabilizes. Stay patient, and one day both legs will float out almost unexpectedly. Still struggling? Elevate your hands on blocks or parallettes. More space gives your body room to organize itself. That's not cheating, it's intelligent progression. And remember this, the L-sit is learned faster than it looks because early gains are neurological. Your body isn't just building strength, it's building coordination under tension. Most people quit right before that adaptation happens. Don't be most people. Picture the moment instead. You press down, lean forward slightly, and suddenly your heels rise. For a second, you panic, then you realize you're holding yourself completely off the ground. No swinging, no shaking, just pure control. So if you can't L-sit yet, don't call it failure, call it feedback. Your body is pointing directly at the strength waiting to be built. Fix the weak links, train progressively, stay consistent. And soon, the exercise that once exposed your weakness will become the skill that proves your strength. Now, tell me, what challenges you most right now? Flexibility, core strength, or shoulder stability? Because once you master this, you're not just learning a hold, you're upgrading how your entire body works.